and welcome to the Enter channel. Today we'll be making a adjustable height desk. This desk is a desk that we got from Costco, and the brand name is Santi.
And it was for $299.
Yes, and this desk is a glass top, so it's very fragile and you have to be careful. It also has a phone charger. Its height is adjustable and has a storage area inside the desk. And it is very heavy, so you need extra hands to lift it. This project is pretty easy and kids can do it, but you still need your parents to watch you doing this project. We plan to do this project in under 20 minutes.
Let's open the box.
We are going to move these parts upstairs with our parents' help because these parts are very heavy. And we're going to assemble it upstairs.
We're going to put the desk in my brother's room. Let's see if he's there. Are you there?
Hello, welcome to my room. I have an old desk right here, but it's getting too small and I need a bigger desk to do my work for school and other stuff. So we're going to build this new big desk.
I know a secret about him. He likes sports cars.
We have brought up all the parts to my room. And there's only 5 steps for this project. So there's only 3 pieces.
And this is part A, this is part B, and this is part C.
Everything comes with this package, all the tools, so you don't need anything additional tools.
This is part they all come in a nice shiny red bag. This is part AA, and this is part BP, and this is CC. Now I'm going to open part B.
And this is part B.
I wonder what's inside. There's 2
This is
parts.
part B. With my parents' help, I have put the legs on the desk. Can I have parts AA, please?
Yeah, here they are.
Parts AA are screws. These screws that you will put on the legs right here. I'll put one in. And the screw tin. Can I part CC, please?
Here it is.
And part CC is this tool that is screwed in. It's a good idea to use your hands and screw it in, and not fully screw it in and make it a little loose, so you can put all of them in and make sure they're aligned properly.
Now I'm going to do the other side and help you with the other ones.
Now I'm going to tighten it with the wrench.
Now I'm going to help with the other 4.
we have finished doing this step. Our parents fully secured the screws for this step. Now we're going to go to the next step. We got our part B here, and we're going to put it on part C. Carefully. Let me do it. An alignment. Can you please hand me the BB?
But you know what? I can do it for you.
Okay. After this step, when you completed it, the next step is to take this 8-pin connector and put it together. Once you hear the click sound, that means it's good. Do not connect these two parts yet, because you can only connect them after you flip your table back over. For the next step, you have to plug in this plug to the outlet. That controls the up and down for the table. And then these plugs here, that is just for the phone charger if you want to charge your phone.
Can I make this go up and down?
Sure. And as you can see, you can go up and down, however you want. And then you can go down. And that concludes our project. This was a very easy project. We overestimated for 20 minutes. It only took 10. Thanks for watching the N2 channel.
Like and subscribe.